How to fix Omegle stranger's camera keep loading. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Omegle stranger's camera keep loading, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So as you can see, I'm currently on Omegle right now, and let's say that you have this problem that every time you are going to talk with somebody on Omegle, their camera keeps loading and loading all the time. Well, to easily fix this issue, then what you can try to do first is to, for example, if you're using Firefox or any other browser out there, then what you can do is to just simply switch to another browser. So as of right now, I'm using Firefox, but if I want to quickly solve this issue, then I can just switch to, for example, Google Chrome and then check if the issue is now solved. If the issue is now it's not fixed, then what you can do is to click on these three dots right here, as you can see. Then what you need to do is to click where it says settings. And now you will be taken to this page right here. As you can see, what you need to do is to click where it says privacy and security. Great. Now click on clear browsing data. And in here, you need to select where it says cookies and other site data. And after that, you need to click on clear data, but don't click there yet, because what you need to know is that what happens when you do this is that your browser will be restarted. So all of the login details and passwords, for example, that you had saved on this browser, they will now be gone. So make sure that you know all of the login details and passwords for all of your accounts that is saved on this on this browser before making this. So after you are clear that everything is okay, then what you do is to select this one and then click on clear data. Then just go back to Omegle and check so that everything is working basically, and that should actually solve your issue right there. So yeah, I mean, let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.